now a total of 35.5 billion coins. The total amount CZ, Binance have burned so far for LUNC have actually crossed 35.5 billion coins of Terminal Classic, 35 billion 500 million coins. Okay, that is good. Okay, I'm very happy, and I believe that within the next few weeks Binance will be burning 40 billion coins of Terminal Classic. Binance alone will be burning 40 billion. Now, with this recent burning, it means that they are now burning almost 53%, about almost 53% of the total amount that LUNC has destroyed so far. Binance alone have actually burned that. Destroying 35 billion 500 million coins is not easy. So I believe this will also encourage so many people to start investing on Terminal Classic. This will encourage many people to start pumping in money on Terminal Classic, and this will also help Terminal Classic community to keep having more faith, more trust on LUNC. Because when we have the biggest exchange in the world, when we have the #1 cryptocurrency exchange in the world, which is Binance, fully behind this coin, it is a good thing to have such a source support. So I'm happy that the #1 exchange is now burning even more coins, and they're almost hitting about almost half of the general burn, half of what Terminal Classic have really burned so far. Okay, so I'm happy. It's a good thing. LUNC by now should be should be burning a lot of, very soon we should be hitting about 80 billion bonds within the next 2-3 months. But what have Binance been able to burn? Binance might be burning more than half of that, which shows that they are really the one burning this coin. There are also all thanks to other burning portal, Nations, Lunatic, them also have been burning Terminal Classic. But when it comes to Binance, they are really burning billions. When they want to burn, Binance are burning in billions. They are burning in billions burn. So I'm happy for that. Let's hope for the best and keep supporting Terminal Classic LUNC. Once again, thank you for stopping by.